Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry formulas. First, focus on understanding the core concepts behind each formula rather than just rote memorization. Start with the unit circle. It's a powerful visual tool that connects angles to trigonometric values. Then, master the fundamental identities, like sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. This foundational knowledge will make more complex formulas much easier to grasp and remember. To truly master these formulas, active learning is key. Try creating flashcards for each formula, including its conditions and common applications. Don't just write them down, actively test yourself. Work through a wide range of practice problems, applying the formulas in different scenarios. Consistent, spaced repetition is crucial. Regularly revisit older formulas to keep them fresh in your mind and build long-term retention. For more advanced formulas, try grouping them by type, like all the sum and difference identities together. This helps you see patterns and connections. Don't hesitate to create your own mnemonic devices or visual aids. Sometimes a silly phrase or a simple diagram can make a huge difference. A fantastic way to solidify your understanding is to explain the formulas to a friend or even just to yourself out loud. Finally, consistent practice and application are non-negotiable. Work through past exam papers to see how formulas are typically tested and what types of problems you'll encounter. Collaborating with classmates can also be incredibly beneficial. Discussing challenging problems often leads to new insights. And hey, while you're tackling those tough trig problems, why not let a robot handle the chores? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.